loves! Good morning. It's 2:35 in the morning and nag-ready ako for my retreat sa my MMRC, Mount Makiling Recreational Center for Unite. It's a D-leaders thing na I was invited to, but medyo last minute kasi ako nag-decide na gusto ko pala sumali and that may break pala ako. Thankfully, nakakuha ko ng slot, nakasecure ako ng slot. Since kahapon, naggagawa na ako. So, early morning yun. I think at around 6 a.m. Ready na ako kasi nag-duty ako kahapon tapos medyo muntikan pa nga ako mali. So, ang duty ko lang is sa OPD. Pero, I was assigned sa animal bite center. Kaso, since medyo busy yung surgery department, hindi naman siya ganun ka-busy. Medyo busy and karoon ng 1 p.m. meeting sila Dean and the regular faculties. We had to cut it short to 11:30. So, we had about 4 hours. 4 hours lang ng duty, which was not that bad. But, sana nakapagturok-turok ako. Although nag-request na ako guys na malagay ako sa ER sa Monday. I mean, not ER sa may surgery or sa internal medicine ng Monday kasi mas busy doon. And gusto ko talaga makakuha ng skills. Kaya yun ang target ko na mapuntahan. As you know, among all my rotations, or if you don't know, ito na yung pinaka-busy in terms of skills na marami talaga akong makukuha. Sayang nga hindi ako napagturok, but ayun nga, promise naman sa amin ng CI namin is that next semester, bibigyan niya kami talaga ng maraming parenteral or vaccine injection, ganyan. Ang gagawin ko ngayon is magne-nails ako. Kasi, di ba, alam niyo naman, hindi pwede sa school namin ang naka-nails. So, in the rare occasions na pwede kaming mag-nails, I really take the chance na lagay ng nails, press on kasi wala rin akong time na magpagawa. And if ever magpapagawa ako, I'd have to remove it around a week lang, ganyan. So, sayang naman, settling for fake nails. Tulog naman ako. After duty, nagpa-wax na ako. Pag uwi ko, natulog ako. Kasi, di ba, 8 to 10 hours bago pwedeng mabasa yung underarm. After nun, pag uwi ko, nakatulog ako. Pero nakatulog ako 30, nagising ako around 9:30. Kaya na normal for me na. Medyo, actually, guys, sumasakit yung ulo ko. Pero, makakatulog naman ako sa bus. I hope makatulog ako. Ito pala, ito yung nabili kong nails. Ayan siya, may design siyang ganun. Mamaya, i-aayos ko pa yan. Pero basta may flower siya. Kaso nga lang, medyo malambot yung flower. Hindi ko alam, ba't siya malambot? Medyo moldable. I think it's a sticker, pero medyo lost ako kung paano nag-work yung flower na yun. Ito lang yung gagamitin kong necklace. Yung St. Benedict with my fox. Yung quartz na fox. File mo lang siya. Lightly lang. Di mo naman kailangan sirain talaga yun. Yung makeup ko pala, later na ako mag-makeup. Or basta pagdating doon or something. Ito guys, final ko na to yung edges niya. Tsaka yung tips kasi medyo siya, masakit. Nail. Habang pala gumagawa ko ng nails ko, kukwento ko na rin yung experience ko earlier. Kukwentuhan kami, laman ko na there are classmates na naiinis sa akin or the word was hate but it's too strong naman. I don't know. This is the last time I'm gonna speak of it na dinidebrief. There were classmates who didn't like me because masyado akong pa-active sa klase, recite, bida-bida, or masyadong magpapagaling, which I get that most of them didn't know na I was on probation, that I needed to do that kasi kailangan ko yung grades ko to go up, right? But oh well, nung nalaman ko yun, parang, okay, that's how they view me pala. The craziest assumption was that my friends are umiiwas sa akin. That's why I don't have a circle. And for me, I know the truth naman. Just find it ridiculous for people to assume na that's the way things are. Kasi, grabe talaga yung support system ko. Like, super, super solid. For them to assume that nakaka-insult sa friends ko na sobrang lagi nandyan for me, na hindi nakakalimot na mag-message. Yes, we are busy as most of the college students are dahil na pag second year. Ang di ko lang Ayan siya, oh, cute. Hindi ko lang magets is why nila pinapalaki ng ganun na parang they make it seem like, oh yeah, she's a loner, nobody wants her. Before, pagkaroon ako ng similar occurrence. But the thing was, before I didn't know my identity, I listened to people who weren't in my circle anyway. Yun ang biggest pagkakamali ko kasi hindi naman sila importante sa akin. Why was I valuing their opinion? Bakit napaka-relevant sa akin kung ano yung iniisip nila? This year, I'm so proud of myself kasi even if bothered ako, it's okay pa rin sa akin kasi, you know, they never really know me. Besides what I show them, what I want them to see. And nakaka-proud lang din na how far I've come from that. Na hindi ko na kailangan yung validation from people like them to feel secured sa sarili ko. And meron akong mga kilala right now na I just won't name drop but medyo nahihirapan sila to accept that, you know, sometimes not everyone will like you. It's okay because not everyone's opinion matters. Especially if hindi naman sila yung nandyan para tumulong sa'yo when you're alone and you need help. Sila yung main support system mo. It's okay. It's okay for people to misunderstand you. It's okay for people to think that they know you, even when in reality, they don't know you. It's okay for people to feel some sort of entitlement. But the thing about it is, the most important part of it is that you know who you are and hindi mo hinahayaan na i-bother ka ng mga thoughts na yun. Because if you're gonna think about it, college people, 4 years ka lang nilang kilala. Yung mga circle mo talaga, yung family mo, si God, yung solid tropa mo ng high school o elementary, or kung ano man, kung sino man yung support system mo, sila talaga yung nakakilala sa'yo. Kung kasi lahat ng opinion, i-entertain mo or iisipin mo, lahat ng tingin ng tao sa'yo, mahirapan ka kasi ang daming tao sa mundo. And hindi lahat kaya mong please. Ang advice ko is, pumili ka lang talaga ng mga taong yung opinion is nagmamatter sa'yo. So I guess I'll catch up with some sleep first and then around 4 in an hour, I'm gonna wake up na sila mama para ihatid ako. We're here at CCS while waiting. Breakfast muna ako. My favorite pang Jollibee. I got mushroom.
Masarap nga yung rice ng Jollibee.
Shrimp pepper cream with spaghetti. Oh, ang daming spaghetti niya, oh. Ayun na, basta, ayun. And then, meron akong iced mocha, as usual. Nasa sasakit yung tiyan ko mamaya. I'm with Ate Yomi, and we're going to MMRC. It's been a while since we saw each other.
Yeah. How long has it been already?
Parang 1 year na ata. Or 1 year na. But, katabi ko siya, guys. At di ko in-expect na makakatabi kayo, kakilala ko. Akala ko street grade. Pero medyo kailangan ako. But,
I feel really happy that I saw you then. Like, oh my God!
grabe na miss ko siya.
Oh my gosh, I'm super, super excited to go to Unite, and I hope everybody's just gonna have a fun time and enjoy all of the lessons and learn more about leadership and the Lord.
Here na at MMRC. I saw people I did not expect na are here. Or people who are genuinely just active in MMA and I forgot about it. Okay, let's do this.
But when you're outside,
I just finished registering. Tapos, they gave us this ID with a kit from 1 to many. Inside, nilagay ko yung daughter ko. It came with this backpack. It came with this shirt. let's see. They told me medium na lang yung available. Tapos siguro yung kapalitan ka ng slot is medium. I hope it fits.
Just finished my class. There was a cute guy.
I
Wait,
saw
don't.
a cute guy sa labas.
Wait, I'm gonna show you. Wait, I'm not gonna show it the video.
Okay,
I'm gonna
okay.
show you the pics.
Rate the guy.
Yeah.
Oh, that's your type.
Yeah.
Kasi na tayo sa Zion Hall mag-start of
Okay. Sige, sige. Anyways, see you guys later. Ah!
Rolls, and then brownies. Unahin na natin yung brownies. Tapos I have a dessert first bago here.
Baka yun yung binibake nila kanina. Kasi, ayun,
Four.
scores na brownies.
Wow! Fours? Oh, but that's fair. I've tried better. I bread.
Minsan kasi natatamis na kasi ng
With salt. Tapos kailangan may ganito. Tapos may egg. Gone. Hot chocolate.
sila.
Maasa ako. MMRC don't fail me.
MMRC, don't hear me.
So this is how it looks.
Magalit. Magalit mo. Accounting kasi.
Sarap naman siya, guys. Hindi ko lang maintindihan yung sauce.
Really?
Hindi naman siya mayo. Hindi siya mayo. Pero parang lasang Cajun na hindi mo maintindihan. Pero masarap siya. Mga 6 out of 10. This one,
So,
5. 5 to.
that's 5.
Gusto ko gusto ko hot.
Oh,
I like my food piping hot, guys.
9
After this, we're gonna have the first plenary. And I'm hoping na makapag-swimming pa ako after or makatambay ako.
Pwede pa ba?
I think so. Depends kung ano oras. Kasi hanggang 9 lang yung pool ride. 9 p.m. yung pool ride.
Bawal night swimming dito.
Bawal. Ay, bawal na. So, after ng dapat.
Ganun sila na policy kasi yung sa RRC, diba? Yung story na to talaga, may nalunod.
Someone died.
Kaya, napatay ng
Kasi night swimming. Eh kasi you should see naman the slide sa RRC. Okay naman talaga sa haba tsaka sa taas.
Oo. Malalim talaga.
Parang yung bata daw, hanggat nakita lang nila ng body floating. What? Tapos parang blue na siya. Horror. Alam mo yan,
Horror story
literally, but you know what guys? We believe in Jesus. So alam naman namin where he went.
Oh my God. Grabing humor naman eh.
For comfort.
Okay, we'll see you later sa my, siguro after the plenary and then the group bonding time. Yeah. Okay lang yan. Hindi naman nila ako kilala. Hindi naman nila ako kilala. By the way, this is Ate Shay. She's the D-group member ng D-group leader ko, si Ate Eunice.
Yeah.
Tell me more about you. Tell us more about you.
And Eunice muna, like we're best friends since grade 7. College lang talaga kami nahiwalay. Eunice has seen my ups and downs talaga. Christian kasi. So parang yun na din yung standards na set niya sa akin. I wouldn't want to get into a relationship with someone who's not,
A believer.
a believer who doesn't have a relationship with God. So, yun. Tapos,
Very different nga, no?
yeah.
I want you to understand this context. Nathan is a prophet during King David's time. So Nathan was used by God to rebuke David.
Because Nathan rebuked David, right?
Like someone who will rebuke you in a loving way.
Mm-mm.
Yun nga, na will review you right now.
Kasi ngayon,
Making good time. Our pace is, our pace is 3 minutes per kilometer.
yes.
Kilometer.
6 p.m.
Croissant deprived,
Can you get me spon
Shock
chocolate?
naman, butter lang talaga. Kaka-refill lang nila. And nag-refill pa sila. So we're gonna get the fresh ones. Butter for breakfast.
With kind of bread.
And Lord, sana po na yung wala
Amen.
Why did that take 3 days?
So, first let's rate the adobo pork. The rating.
Gusto mo ako yung side effects mo?
Okay. Ay, hindi kita. This one.
Alam mo, ako, Juice. Good.
This one's good. Mga 5. Pero parang hindi ko breakfast kasi yung adobo eh.
Yeah, it is
Pero lunch. I have longganisa here. Okay, this one. Longganisa sweet. I like it. Mga 6-10. And then let's try the croissant. Try it on its own muna. Wow, French baker! It's good. It's flaky. It's buttery, and it's good overall. Mga 7 out of 10. This one's pano chocolate. It looks good. Do you wanna try at the same time? Then we have banana, guys, for the runners. Yung mga naka-complete ng 6K like us.
We had a very hard run.
Uh-huh.
We need to carve up.
So this is that. Guys, sabihin ko lang, unang kagat wala pang chocolate yun. Let's bite. What happened, Bella? It's good. MMRC food is good, guys. Pero sana yung croissants na rin sa dinner. Para may chocolate, something chocolatey. But it's good overall.
Justice and mercy and grace. Jesus, to you we lift our eyes. Jesus, our Lord and our Christ, our Savior ever true. Oh Jesus, we turn our eyes to you.
There are more proofs, not just biblically. Yung tatlong yun, nobody can argue.
Jazz, can you smile for me? Can you smile for me? Can you smile for me?
The colors don't matter, it's the same.
Jazz tasted Shrek. Second day, lunch. Wait, I'm just gonna do a taste test. So, the pancit with calamansi.
Calamansi, guys.
Have pancit, macaron, lumpia, and then chicken barbecue.
What did you try?
Chicken.
How was it?
5. The sauce was consistent with all the other sauce.
One sauce lang.
No, parang yung texture niya. I don't know if what lumpia to. I think pork.
Yeah.
It's crispy. It's okay.
It's like Jollibee lumpia.
Kinda. No? I'll give it a 5.
What? Out of 10?
Because my mom's lumpia is better. My mom's lumpia is like a 7. So what got the highest for me? Yung chicken nung first day, it's an 8. The chicken and skin ratio is perfect. And then it's still crispy. I don't know if I gave it a 8. Parang siguro 7 lang. But like, looking back, parang 8 na siya ngayon. Oo. It's not dry. Tama. Hi. I think have met you. Macau, day one. Really? No, we've met before. Remember, we had a picture with Ate Alita. We met before. You look so familiar. But I don't remember her name. What's her name? Chantal. Nice meeting you. About the glory. I like it. In fairness, the pancit. Time for the dessert. So, yung tinanong ko sila, sabi ni ate, vanilla daw, but there's different colors. Pero nakita ko to, and it looks kind of like tiramisu. Same filling for everything. The macaron itself, it's good. The filling, alam mo yung lasang merengue?
Yeah. I see.
Oo, parang soft, hindi pa tumitigas. Parang ganun siya. Does it taste like vanilla? Not really. Not vanilla?
Okay, ibang flavor na.
Yeah, but the texture is good. It's not super tigas, and it's not crisp. Ay, medyo crispy, I think. Because it's soggy na, so sitting beside the rice. What's your opinion about this? What's happening?
It's all wet Sana natulog na lang ako.
I don't have the energy. I don't have the energy, bro. It's not worth it. I don't have the energy.
Sinabihan nyo kami, di ba? Para prepared kami.
Alive and well.
What's happening? Dapat daw equal. Equal lines. Monster kasi it's so hot. Look at that.
Please count, please count.
I thought I was having too much fun. Is it still filming? Yeah, it's still filming. Okay. So, what's this game about? No idea. We have to line up. What's this game? There's aliens. So exciting, guys. We're winning. Yes. Ready to?
Grabe naman yung layo.
So I'm not gonna do a review right now, but it's dinner, and we have, I think, beef something, chicken with cheese, or salted egg, apple pie, pumpkin soup. It tastes mid, but it tastes like real pumpkin naman. last breakfast. I'm gonna rate these. We have scrambled eggs, pandesal, and whatever this is. Parang may jam lang siya na pa-crispy. Sarap siya. Oh my, what's happening? Sound check. And then this one is the puff pastry. I love everything. I love you. Nag-expect ako for lunch. Sana masarap. See you later.
And then the one time we went to the plenary, ayun pa, may mga Charlie Kirk, Israel Gaza, ano pa.
Hey guys, we're in the field right now and we're gonna film a TikTok. What's the TikTok name?
Maui Wawi.
Yes! And we have found our destination.
Oh, alam mo, we should go, like, parang someone should run it, tapos you do, alam mo yung Sound of Music.
Oh my god!
Alam mo, it's so green.
Tapos may makaapak ang poop. Uy, sakto! Yes!
Oh, wait. Ay,
Oh my gosh, it's falling. Someone sings. Okay.
how does it look?
Dun 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 the Maui Waui. I got you. Going out just I get the Maui Waui, the Mami Waui. Yes! How does it look? Cute.
With lip sync pa yan.
May lip, kasama pang lip.
Ikaw naman, girl.
A lazy's turn. I did mine as gas fluids.
Oo nga, there's like,
It's mildew, not gas.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Da just I get to get that mommy wowie, that mommy wowie. Yeah. Okay, I wanna do it also.
Then it's so short for you.
a few inches lang off the ground.
1, 2, 3, go. Going back to Honolulu.
You know me, wow.
Ay, ang ganda ng ano.
We gotta sabi-sabi.
Ganda ng nakuha ng camera. We're dying. This is us after Maui Wowie.
So hot.
They're doing devotion. How is our devotion?
Very
Very Maui.
Very physical.
As you can see, we encountered the Lord and we're very blessed we did not step on poop.
You're blessed by the Lord, by the members.
Dito na tayo mag-entry. Last lunch for this retreat and we're having 3 cups chicken. Hindi ko gets kung bakit 3 cups but yun. Tapos bagnet, kare-kare. Medyo nag-crave ako nito, matagal na.
Bagnet?
Oo, na kare-kare. This one's good. But if they claimed it na bagnet, sana it's crispy. It's okay lang. Ano, it's getting a 7. Just because I really like how it is. Then 3 cups. Bakit parang puro balat ata yung nakuha ko? Ay, this, my meat. This one tastes very Chinese. Parang Chinese dish. We have coffee jelly for dessert. Feeling ko, sakto lang to. Hindi naman masyadong mind-blowing. Yun lang. Tapos later, we're just gonna check out and that's the end of this retreat. Nag-enjoy ako, guys. Ikakwento ko lahat ng bibits ko dun sa ano. Sana hindi niya... Okay, masaya pala na hindi ko siya hinag sa IG kasi if I post this video, then he'll know that's him.
Let them know. Let them know. Be bold. Let them wonder if it's them.
Give the full debrief after this retreat. I'm so excited to go back to school. I feel so refreshed kasi. Hi guys, so we're gonna miss this room. Filled with so much memories. One last look. We're checking out. Tapos,
So much chica in this room.
this room has heard very cancelable things and very spiritual.
Yeah.
Oo nga, spiritual
Where's
things.
the retreat?
Grabe, look at us. We came here and
Tired, exhausted.
tired. And then we're going out very refreshed,
Yes.
ready for life.
Very joyful.
Yes, very joyful.
Inspired.
I'm with Anne now. Buti na lang nasundo na ako. Malapit na akong bumagsak. Kasi alam mo naman mga retreat na ngayon, walang tulugan talaga. Kaya tutulog ka pa ba? Eh ngayon lang kayo magkikita ng mga kaibigan mo. Tapos lahat nakikilala mo. Tapos kanina nga, nung paalis na kami. Syempre, tingin-tingin ako doon sa crush ko. Nag-eye contact kami. As in, parang feeling ko talaga hinahanap niya din ako. Ayun, di. Tapos nung palis na kami, nagbabay din siya. Minake sure ko talagang kilala niya ako.
Ano ba yun doon mo lang nakilala? Like, this week lang?
As in, nung isang araw lang. Ano siya, gagawan daw ako ni Anong matcha. Nakakakilig naman. Shocks. Meron pa siya mga ganto-ganto. Yes naman. Kompletong-kompleto. Ano to? Tapos may oat cell. Ang cute naman ito. May pag-ganang-ganan.
Yeah, 500 lang yan sa Shopee.
Green na green siya. Papakita ko sa inyo. Green din yung bowl, pero green na green siya. Wow, microphone. Guys, may microphone siya. What this reminds me of, nung may hyperfixation siya sa slime. Parang gusto mo gawa kita ng slime? Okay, gawa ko ng slime. Anong color gusto mo? Meron pa yung marker na di ganun. Oo. Kakatuwa pag may hyperfixation siya. Talagang sipag-sipag niyang gumawa.
Alam mo ba na kailan na kami nito? Kagabi at kanina umaga. Ang dami na namin. Tira mo yung outside namin. Kagahapon lang yung binili.
Oh my.
Okay, here. Focus mo dito.
Paano yung sea salt na yun?
Ginagawa ko lang din. Heavy cream.
Ay, ASMR. Alam mo ba, bumili ako ng mic. Taste test.
Anong kulang?
Hindi, sakto lang siya.
Sakto siya? Hinala mo ba yung ilalim? Andun yung sweetener.
Oo nga, ano siya.
Nutty.
Yun, yung word
Yeah,
nutty.
siya.
Alam mo yung hindi siya nakakaumay. Parang,
Nadik ako dyan. Like, oh!
kasi diba yung iba, puro pait?
Yeah, vegetal.
Oo, yun. That's the word then. Nutty and vegetal. Parang nakakarami ka. Imagine mo, yung ganito daw, 200 pesos. Usually sa mga fair din, 200 pesos.
I finished mine na.
Isipin mo, pag nakarami ka nito, kunyari 1K mo, 5 ganito lang, ay kayang-kaya mong i-chug to nung saglit lang. Yan na siya, guys. And you can see the microphone. I'm so proud of my best friend. Shucks.
I did
Pwede
so
na ito
well.
mag-business. Kalaban.
Inagawan ng recipe at kinalaban pa.
Hindi, dito ka sa Batangas kasi siya nandun.
Ay, may lipa-branch siya.
Ay, magpapaburn. lipa?
Oo, may lipa-branch
Santo
siya.
Tomas ka. Hi, okay. I'll just unbox yung binili ko kanina as a souvenir. Kasi walang souvenir shop doon. I usually gusto ko bumibili ng mga postcards or something to commemorate yung trips or basta yung mga events na pinupuntahan ko. Nakita ko to. Parang feeling ko time na kasi wala nga ako nagastos. Medyo matagal ko na tong sinesearch at lumalabas sa Pinterest board ko. Kaya binili ko na siya. Hindi ko nga ma-justify yung purchase na to. Kasi magbabayad ka ng 600 for this. Pero why not? Minsan lang naman. Bakasyon naman na. Ito siya, yung Little Prince na Hirono. Ang pick ko, sana makuha ko yung rose. Yun talagang gusto ko. Kasi gusto ko siyang ilagay dun sa bouquet na kasama nung bouquet ng Lego. Pero lahat naman ng design niya, cute. Siguro worth it na rin. Ito yung first Pop Mart ko na nabudol ako kasi I don't think worth it if figurine lang siya. Tapos di ko naman siya madadala-dala. Pero ever since, yun nga, lumalabas siya sa Pinterest, cutean na ako. Ang dami kong chika. 2 minutes agad yun. Ano lang siya? La, ito na yun. Paano ko ito hindi makikita? Kasi di ba may card? Ah, okay. Ganito na lang. Pa-side, para hindi nyo rin makita. Parang hirap nitong hulaan, guys. Kasi meron din ganito, oh, yung parang, ang ano niya, parang similar shape. Anyway, okay. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Wait, ito yung pinaka-list na gusto kong makuha. Pero parang ang cute niya. Look, oh. Yung may snake. Ang cute pala niya. Kita mo, ba't ganun, guys? May thought din siya. But it's cute kasi gold pala yung snake. Tapos may apple siya sa ulo. So cute. And it's very timely. Kasi sa story sa Genesis, merong snake and apple. This is a retreat trip. Would I buy one again to get that rose? I don't think so. Sana may magregalo na lang. But, so cute. Meron siyang ganon. So, I think it's an intellectual thing. Bakit may snake? Ah, alam ko na. Naalala ko na yung scene na to. Tinatempt siya nung snake to feel bad about losing the rose ata. It's cute though.